Don't try not to get too freaked out. I'm very sorry. I began thinking about making Bloody back in like November of 2020 and like conceptualizing it then, but it was very difficult for me trying to find someone to make it with. I knew there were only going to be 2 actors needed for it, but even then I didn't really want to be in it myself. It just kind of came down to convenience sake in the end. I wouldn't have to ask someone to like cover their whole face in red food dye if I did it myself. And I happened upon meeting Amy Harriet, and so then back in May we began filming in quite a small rural town by the river.
Am I supposed to be walking?
Oh yeah, follow me.
Didn't really know what we were filming, to be honest. I'm quite spontaneous when it comes to filming stuff. I think just because of how much I'm used to being able to make it up as I go along when it comes to animation and brick filming, just because that takes so long. So, you know, it's guerrilla style, just try whatever, see what happens. It was crazy, it was great.
And James was covered in food colouring.
It's kind of psycho mode, bro.
And it was really awkward because there were like loads of local people who were just like watching.
Huh? Are there children?
And they like drove past and stuff, and James was going like, no,
Like the rural farm area.
and I was there with my camera. I felt so cool. I was like, yeah, no, I'm full of stuff.
Yeah, we're crazy.
It was fun.
Oh god.
I didn't actually think we'd like gotten any useful footage because I didn't think it was like that great at filming anyway. But it turned out pretty well, so yeah.
I think very little footage of what we shot was actually used in the final music video. But that just goes to show, you know, it was taking shape and finding feats. It was crazy. And then I actually took some time to think about how I was going to structure it, and then a couple of months later got back to filming with the help of Ella Cowie as our DP.
I'm a vlogger.
So that Amy Harriet and I could be in front of the camera, further improvising and further being spontaneous and just trying whatever the fuck on the beach. And it was just fun. It was really great, you know, like just trying whatever.
The beach filming was amazing. That was fun. It was very sandy.
And so a bulk of the footage that ended up being used in the final video for Bloody was shot on that day.
Is that good?
That's pretty good.
Do it again.
Just showing lots of like separation. But like first like the happy and then the contrast to that.
You think that's good? Oh my god, Amy Harriet!
Get the paint in.
Like picturesque happy relationship, trying to portray that, and then it's like on my own, you know, like that whole vibe.
Spending time with everyone and filming James and Amy rolling down a hill. It was just so much fun, and like the whole day was just so spontaneous and spur of the moment.
She down there.
And just go with the flow, and it was such a comfortable environment to be around. I loved meeting Amy Harriet for the first time. She is so sweet. And jumping down sand dunes. Yeah, just going to this random bathtub for horses to drink out of. It was amazing.
Spiderweb, that was really scary.
What?
I touched the spider.
I think I was just excited about the fact that there was a bathtub on the common, and we were like, there's no way we can't put footage of us in the bathtub in this video. Like, if it's not there, we'll be upset.
As well, watching James have a whole tantrum on his bed while trying to keep the camera steady.
Is this your like night routine? Are you gonna roll off?
No, not here.
Okay.
I could try to do like one that looks like that.
Zoom. Oh my god. You went full in. What do you want me to do?
Just do the exact same thing we did, but now I'm wet.
But there were still a few things that needed to be shot.
Your face is green.
Is it?
That is green.
Such as the source footage for the animated bit of Amy Harriet playing the guitar, which she tried to do in many different ways. It didn't really work out.
I don't know these chords. changes.
I don't know, I think towards the end I was losing motivation quite a bit, but I still wanted to finish the music video, obviously. I was feeling very drained, and it wasn't even a draining process. It gave me energy to like be in that environment.
I don't know what I'm doing.
And then the last bit of footage was filmed back in October,
Do open your teeth more.
where we tried even more crazy, wacky stuff.
It's not focused.
It's fine. Ah! Should I just? Ah!
It's not funny.
And it was after that that it was kind of like, okay, we're done, we're good, we got it all.
Bloody is just, the name says it all. It was pretty bloody, it's gory, it's raw, it's real.
The song is very high energy, very distorted, very angsty, very desperate, and it was very important to try and reflect this in the energy of the video and the creation process. And so that was what was done, kind of, yeah, mostly, yeah.
When you break from someone, causes a non-physical wound in your like mental state, and then like bloody symbolize that physical wound to represent the non-physical wound that you suffer after that break.
Oh, you're crazy.